Merge first name and last name into one cell. At times you may want to display the full name of a guest and therefore need to merge first names and surnames. To do so, you can use the concatenate formula. Ideally, copy the first name and last name column into a new sheet. Then click into the top cell of an empty column and type equals, followed by, concatenate, and select the formula. After this, click into cell A1, followed by a comma, quotation marks, space, quotation marks, comma, then click on cell B1, and press enter. We have now combined cell A1 and B1 and defined the required space between first name and last name. To apply this formula to all cells in this column, simply double-click onto the lower corner of the first cell. Important note, when copying your data back into your original or a new Excel sheet, I recommend removing any formula. To do so, mark column C, and click Copy. Select cell D1 and paste as values. This guarantees that your merged names remain, in case you delete or move the initial reference in column A and B. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more event planning hacks. Thanks for watching.